Good morning. Happy Tuesday, guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new here, I'm your girl Sade Boo, and today is Tuesday. Make sure you like, make sure you comment down below because I do interact with my new family, and make sure that you are subscribing. Make sure that you are hitting that notification bell so that when I post a video, you're the first to pull up. Now to the rest of the family, I love you guys. So, like I said, today is Tuesday. Again, because I talked about it yesterday. Again, I went through, oh, sorry, my lighting. God just be shining on up in here. Can I tell you? Let me close this curtain some. Okay. Yeah, the Lord just be shining in here. I'm sorry, it's not my fault. Anywho, so I told you guys about yesterday, the situation that happened with the bus company with picking up my son. They always pick him up extremely late. Why? I don't know. I was hearing something about there being shorter staff and some strike and so on and so on. Which is not my responsibility. It's not my problem. But today they came. My son has to be to school by 8 o'clock. Today they came and picked him up at 9:30. The bus is supposed to be here at 7:10. So that's how my morning started. Along with, if you didn't watch the video for Monday, go watch it, because I don't want to be like repeating myself, but for the newbies I will. So I talked about how my son does not follow direction good. He is autistic. He needs a lot of reinforcement and, you know, staying on top of him. And he has a whole chart and calendar, everything on his wall, what to do, what to follow, what steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. And he's just like, he gets up in the morning, he's just chilling. He's just like on his phone, just chilling. Like, so I said, you know what? I'm going to take the phone. At nighttime, I'm taking the phone. You will get the phone when you get ready to walk out the door and go to the best. Because obviously you can't focus on, you know, too many things at one time. And you have to get yourself prepared and ready for school. So that was a frustration this morning, because I just was like, Zion, I'm not even going to lie. I was raising my voice this morning. I just was like, why are you not listening to your mother? I keep telling you and telling you and telling you and telling you. Hold on, guys. Let me put my hand in a bun. It's irritating me. Yeah, so, yeah, like I said, that's how my morning started. So now I started some laundry after I dropped Royalty off. As you can see, I have my blankets that I'm going to wash. Yeah, so it just, oh, my arm. These are heavy. Yeah, so, whew. Other than that, the hubby should be on his way home from work. I'm hungry. I haven't had any coffee, any breakfast yet. Yeah, I know how I feel about that first sip of coffee. Guys, I'm in a laundromat. I cannot wait till I'm in my house and I got my own washing machine and dryer. It's amazing how the things that when we were younger, I ain't give a damn about the washing machine, having it in my house. But now, washer and dryer me, please. I can't wait. I just put in my blankets. And what you see me putting up here, this is what I don't dry. And I go through a lot of that because there's just a lot of things that we just, majority of our clothes, honestly, we don't dry. But I have to do better with like a routine of not letting the clothes build up. I can admit I am very guilty of that. I probably do it because we have so much clothes, thank God. I'm just like, well, I have clothes to put on. You know, sometimes people be like, oh gosh, I'm getting low on this, or I'm getting low on that. But I gotta do better. I'm trying. That's why I'm down here early today. I'm trying to get it done and out the way. Do y'all dry bonnets? Yes or no? I don't wear it, but royalty like it. You know, ghetto fabulous, so. No matter how much I wash, tell me if this happens to you. No matter how much I wash my husband's stuff, I still smell his cologne all the time. I mean, you know, he wear the good stuff, so maybe that's why. But and this is no disrespect to no Dominicans, because I love my Dominicans, but he spray on like the Dominicans. You know, you ever walk into a Dominican barbershop or walk past a Dominican, they just throw the bottle of cologne all over them. My husband don't play. He be I be like, damn, right? I do be annoyed. I be like, you don't need all of that. All you need is you good to go. You don't like when I be telling him about his cologne, but it do smell good. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This is what I have to put in the dryer. This is what doesn't dry, and I know it looks like a lot. It is. So these are our dryers in the building. But there was some issues before. That's why I want my own. Let me push y'all back so you get a better view. Okay, that's better. They said this don't be drying right, this one. I'm not gonna take the chance. I'm a person who learns from other people's mistakes. So if people keep saying it don't be working right, I might as well put it in the bottom dryer. Now I'm wondering, because it's a set, it's together. Now I'm wondering if it dries at all, the top or the bottom. What? I'm putting the other one. You could pick that up for me, please? The scarf.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You just make sure you check on to see if
oh yeah, go ahead.
Like you said, make sure they dry.
Yeah, this is our laundry cart. Yeah, don't ask me why I got so many. Yeah, so they have like a machine that you go and you check your card, so you can add money to it. What do y'all use to wash? I like Gain. There's a few of them I like to use. Take this stuff upstairs. And obviously I don't have a line because I'm not in the house, so I hang it in my yard, but I just hang them up around the house until they dry. Oh shoot, I gotta start my dryer.
6 hours later.
Well, y'all, this is hours later, as you can tell. I came upstairs, I put the clothes away. Husband came from work. For lunch I had Arkansas fish dumpling. It was so good. And my mom is here. Yeah, I know how she feel about being on camera. But now I'm about to make some dinner, which is gonna be some tuna fish on a scallion pancake. Let me show you. I told y'all about it before. They have it in Trader Joe's only. Maybe other stores have it, but a different brand. I'm gonna make that with some tuna, like a sandwich with some sweet potato french fries, and call it a day. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you what that sandwich is looking like. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, I'm so sorry I did not get to show y'all the sandwich. I ate and I took my behind to bed. Anywho, I actually do have a video of me making a sandwich in one of my video shorts. Go search it, go check it out. As a matter of fact, I'll leave the link in the description. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.